Rajen Jani tutorial. Start. Describe your current or past studies.
I recently graduated with a degree in science, and let me tell you, college was both crazy and amazing. Right now, I am pursuing my postgraduate studies in environmental science because I am super passionate about sustainability and conservation. I've always loved studying biology, especially anything related to ecosystems and how everything is connected. It just fascinates me. Some of my classes are tough, but I love the challenge, especially when I get to do hands-on research. Academic life can feel overwhelming sometimes, but it has honestly shaped the way I think and approach problems in real life. Learning about climate change, innovative solutions, and even policy making is exciting because I know this knowledge can actually make a difference. I also enjoyed studying psychology during my undergrad. I find human behavior and emotions super interesting. Studying has never just been about passing exams for me. I actually love understanding how things work. And let's not forget the friends I made in college. They made the entire experience 100 times better. My goal is to eventually work in environmental advocacy, maybe with an NGO or as a researcher, who knows? But yeah, studying definitely gave me direction in life, and I wouldn't trade it for anything.
Rajen Jani tutorial. End.
Expand your vocabulary. All the words used in this English-speaking practice tutorial are listed as parts of speech like nouns, verbs, etc. This entire vocabulary list can be freely downloaded from the download link given in the description box of this video. Download this list now and learn the words and idioms to use with this topic. For more such English-speaking practice videos, don't forget to subscribe and like. Do also give your comment. Thank you.
Credits. Tutorial. Rajen Jani. Text. Microsoft Copilot. Images. Copilot Image Creator. Audio. Google Cloud Text-to-Speech. Parts of speech. Google Cloud Natural Language API. Python Code. Google Gemini AI. Video Editor. Kdenlive.